How to schedule a mail using your Gmail app. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you want to schedule a mail on any time, then all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Gmail app and make sure you are logged into right account. So after checking everything, tap on this compose icon located on bottom right hand side of your screen. Now write a mail as if you do normally. So first enter the email address of people whom you want to send the mail, and then write the subject of the mail by tapping on subject, and last thing, write the content of your mail. So after writing everything, finalize your mail, and what you need to do is tap on this three dot located on top right hand side of your screen, and then you will see this kind of pop-up. So here tap on schedule send, and again you will see this kind of pop-up. So here you will find different options like tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, Monday morning. So you can select either of them, or if you want to be more specific on time, tap on pick date and time. Now from here select date and time on which you want to schedule your mail. So after finalizing everything, tap on schedule send. So this is all you need to do to schedule a mail on Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.